We're back. Hey, what we got going on today?
So we're about to go get a little baby dirt bike.
Okay.
So we can learn how to pop them wheelies.
We've been trying to do wheelies for a minute now, right? We're gonna learn how to pop wheelies on it.
We might go check out a food place.
Yeah. Okay.
Just depends.
Yeah, depending on the time.
Yeah.
Sure. Yeah, we do want to ride on the bike. What else? I think that's about it.
We're gonna record this whole transaction, so
yeah,
y'all gonna see it.
Yeah.
Hi. Let's hope we can find something here.
See what it got. All right. Oh. All right. And how much are you asking for this guy?
It's for
800.
I had a couple more. I included some.
What do you think?
I don't know. We're gonna see.
De arriba.
Yeah, birds in the trap, they gon' stink. Mara, serving the air.
This is my first attempt to try to pop a wheelie. I'm excited.
We finna do it. Yeah, we're gonna do it. So
If I bust my ass, do not laugh.
yeah, and I know the bike that we got is a little Chinese bike, but it's just something that we could throw it down and not having to worry about us getting booty hurt for the bike being damaged. We got it for about like $650. It's a Tao Tao DB17. It's a 125cc. So what we did already, we already upgraded the air filter. We did an oil change, and what else did we do to it? And a cleanup. So yeah.
First gear, right?
Yeah, first gear. Just dump it. You get it?
I know that you're drunk. Yeah. Tell me what you want after this club. You know you're nasty.
Okay, y'all. I did say don't laugh at me, even though I'm laughing at myself. That shit knocked the wind out of me. Like, I'm talking about a bitch can't even yell for help. I was like, like, that shit ain't no joke. But you know what? I'm gonna get there. And I got a little too trigger happy. I need to keep my foot on the brake, goddamn it. But you know what? I'm gonna get there. We gonna see. We gonna see. All right, baby's gonna try next.
There you go. Hey, okay. Ah, yeah, there it is. Woo! 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 That was good.
Yeah,
That was
good
fun.
job. All
was fun.
right.
So you
Hell
fell
yeah.
what, like twice?
Yeah, I fell twice. But you know what? You're going to fall in life. You just got to learn how to get back up. Right,
That's
baby?
right, yeah. That's
Right.
right.
Hell
Get
yeah.
yourself up and you'll be good to go and keep on pushing.
Hell yeah. So this is day 1. Y'all stay tuned. It's going to be day 2, day 3, day 30. We going to get this shit down. Right, baby?
Yeah, that's
We
right.
going to get this shit down.
Got it.
So y'all stay tuned.
Let me get that introduction. We on the long road to self-destruction. You was so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, 'cause I had no idea. Let me get that introduction. We on the long road to self-destruction. You was so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, 'cause I had no idea. I feel like I did too much. I feel like I did too much. Let's get all it on. Yeah, I need all it. I feel like I did too much. I feel like I did too much. But yeah, let's party on. Yeah, I need all it. Since you've been gone, I've been just okay. Way. Since I've been gone, I've been out of space. I let little shawty come here and take your place. Couldn't keep my love too excited. Want a paper plane, I'm the one. Wonder why your girl